Ever wondered how AI transforms a simple text prompt into a vivid image or video? The latest breakthroughs in diffusion models are rewriting the rules of generative AI. And today we're diving into the cutting-edge research that's making these systems smarter, faster, and more intuitive. Imagine asking an AI to generate a scene, a cat sitting on a windowsill at sunset. Early models might produce something vaguely cat-shaped, but details like the cat's fur texture, the golden hour lighting, or the reflection in the window often fall short. Enter inference-time alignment, a technique that fine-tunes the AI's output in real time to match the prompt. Think of it as a teacher giving instant feedback to a student. If the AI starts drifting from the description, it adjusts its approach. One study, for example, uses diffusion latent beam search to iteratively refine video outputs, ensuring consistency across frames and aligning with the original text. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. Researchers are now leveraging adaptive sampling to balance speed and quality. Picture a chef adjusting the heat while cooking. Too high and the dish burns, too low and it's undercooked. AI models now dynamically shift between rough sketches and detailed refinements, optimizing computation. One experiment showed this approach boosted video generation speed by 40% while maintaining visual clarity. Now let's zoom out. These advancements aren't just about faster tech, they're about control. Imagine reliably generating a blue toaster or a carrot-shaped spaceship, but with great power comes great responsibility. Misuse risks, like deepfakes or copyright violations, are real. The solution? Ethical guardrails embedded directly into the code. By designing systems that prioritize transparency and accountability, researchers are ensuring AI remains a tool for creativity, not chaos. And here's a twist. Even with all this progress, AI still has quirks. A recent test revealed models sometimes mix up details, like placing a TV remote in the wrong spot or getting color combos wrong. But that's the beauty of science. Every flaw is a clue to the next breakthrough. So what's next? Scientists are exploring how these techniques integrate with other AI models, like those that generate images 1 pixel at a time. The goal? A more flexible, reliable system that's not just smart, but safe. This is just the beginning. As AI learns to listen more carefully, the line between human creativity and machine magic will blur in ways we're only just starting to imagine. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more deep dives into the future of AI, and let me know in the comments, what's the wildest image you'd love to see an AI create? See you next time. But here's a critical question. How does AI even know what cool looks like? Traditionally, models were trained to match human annotated captions, but what if there's no single right answer? Enter reward-guided generation, a system that lets AI learn from human preferences. Think of it like a classroom where students vote on what they like. If most people prefer vibrant colors or realistic details, the AI learns to prioritize those traits. Tools like ImageReward and human preference scores turn abstract concepts like beauty or realism into numerical feedback, letting AI listen to our tastes instead of guessing. Take diffusion models, which generate images step by step, like painting a masterpiece 1 brushstroke at a time. These models can be slow, but techniques like diffusion sharpening let them refine details in the final stages, skipping unnecessary work. Meanwhile, KV cache optimization teaches the AI to remember previous calculations, avoiding redundant processing. Together, these tricks make AI faster without sacrificing quality. And then there's CLIPScore, a clever way to grade AI without a fixed answer. Instead of comparing outputs to a single caption, it uses a pre-trained AI called CLIP, which understands both images and text. It's like having a teacher who grades your S based on how well it matches the photo, not whether it copies the answer key. This allows AI to excel in creative tasks where there's no single right choice. These advancements aren't just about speed or accuracy, they're about making AI more human. By letting it learn from our preferences and think more efficiently, we're building tools that don't just follow rules, but connect with us. Stay tuned as we explore how these ideas are shaping the future of AI.